for a short period of time, you get along to each other, and then he will soon going back to USA. So it's a little heartbroken because you still need to adjust the time difference. Mm-hmm. And then every time you call each other, I really miss you, but you're on screen. Oh my God, I can't even touch you. So it's really hard, but the long time you know each other, and then the long time you talk to each other by screen, it develops some kind of different relationship. Like your hearts, it's overwhelming, and then wanting you. It's the feeling of wanting you to come back to you, like that. So right. when are you going to be here, like that? So my husband traveling to the Philippines twice a year. More, yeah.
At least. I think it's going more than that.
Yeah.
But we won't talk about that. All right.
Hello, Rana. How was it adjusting to life here in the U.S.? It's pretty good. I'm doing great adjusting. Yeah.
Are you driving yet?
No, not yet. I'm waiting for my papers to get it done to have a driver's license.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you know how to drive?
Yeah, I've driven in the Philippines too.
Ah,
yeah.
So you're a good driver?
Not that much, because I already forgot how to turn the wheels.
You already forgot how to turn the wheel?
But the good thing is...
You're going to have fun, Rob. No, it's going to be fun.
The road here is not narrow, unlike in the Philippines.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's the good thing.
And not anywhere as bad of traffic. So it may be on a Friday night going west here in Phoenix, but I mean, if you guys have ever been to the Philippines, they have different modes of transportation. What do you have, the jeepneys?
Yeah, the jeepney, bus, and then the motorcycle,
motorcycle
your
taxi
vehicle,
things.
your
so
private.
you take these different forms of transportation, like the bus is the main one, then the jeepney, then the motorcycle thing to get to where you want to go. But the traffic in the Philippines is just really bad.
Really bad.
Yeah. So.
I'm glad I learned. I'm proud to learn how to ride the bus here. Yeah, it's really cool.
David, do you think moving to the States has changed your outlook on anything or changed your Philippine culture? Like you're into the culture within you?
Yeah, I have some friends who have they lost or they minimize their Philippine culture, but it's depend on your personality, or it's depend on the lady's perspective or point of views. Like for me, since I accepted some of American cultures, but most of them are still remains a Filipino culture, like being conservative. Of course, I have a baby girl. I have a girl. So it's difficult to receive in American culture, which is more on liberal, and then wearing some shorts, something. So I'm not ready for that. Yeah, I still want to pray every day, like the eating habits in Pinoy style, like that, and. I also cook foods, Filipino foods. Who some Rob likes it, some not. So.
But you still cook it.
Yeah,
That's good.
Of course.
All right. So for you in the Philippines, we talked about this just now, really.
Yeah.
I mean, when you join, they say, hey, look, chances are you're going to have to relocate to the U.S. if you meet the man of your dreams, because he's probably not going to come to Davao City, get a job, and start working for pesos, right? He works in the U.S. That's where his living is. That's where his career is. And chances are, if you join here, you're going to have to move. So when you joined the service, you understood that, right?
Yeah, I understood that, and we filled this application form that's saying that you're willing to relocate anywhere in U.S.
Okay.
As long as you know the guy and you already meet each other, and then you have the strong relationship that will help you to relocate or to adjust in other country.
Is it just the U.S. or do they talk about maybe Canada or maybe Australia or other countries?
It depends on the man who's connected to you, or
right, but it could be another country,
yes.
And they let you know that because and what I would say, Ed, is that it doesn't make a whole lot. Look, when the women join a foreign affair, they know that it's called a foreign affair. And they know that they're going to be meeting women the women are going to be meeting men from other countries. But to put on everyone's profile, well, Germany, United States, Australia, well, if a guy from New Zealand shows up and knocks her socks off, guess what? She's moving to New Zealand.
Yes,
right?
of course.
Right? Do you care? Really? What's the difference, right? I mean, they got kangaroos in New Zealand, they got in Australia.
It's better together.
Matter. It matters who the guy is, right? Isn't that the most important thing? Not the country.
Yeah, not the country.
Right. I mean, if Rob lived in Canada, you would have moved to Canada, right?
Of course, to get the relationship stronger. You're couple. You're a couple.
You're a couple.
Wherever he goes, you're like a tail.
My wife always said, if John lived on the moon, I would go to the moon. Now, would she? I don't know. I think she's just saying that, but maybe. So.
Interested? Check out our website at cebuwomen.com. Don't forget to click on our red subscribe button and notice bell to get updated every time we add something new.